Hi guys, welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy DIY. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this carrot extract for cosmetic formulation. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to get started with this carrot extract, I'm going to grate 2 organic carrots. I'm going to wash it, dry it, and grate it. After grating it, I'm going to take a measurement of the one I want, and I have all the ingredients measured out. Then as usual, I'm going to drop on the screen the measurement and ingredient I use for this carrot extract. So to start with, I have my carrots, the grated carrot, and I'm adding it to my glycerin. Then I have the grated carrots. I have 30 grams of the grated carrot. And for my glycerin, I have 70 grams of glycerin. So after adding it into the glycerin, I'm going to mix it to combine the both. And the next, I'm adding 20 grams of distilled water. So in this case, the glycerin acts as a preservative for it. So I'm going to mix it. After mixing it, I'm going to transfer it into a jar. Every other day, keep shaking it once a day for 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, this is what the carrot looks like at this point. So with my cheesecloth and strainer, I'm going to strain the carrot extract, making sure there are no particles in it. So at this point, I'm going to give it a little squeeze. So guys, the carrot extract is ready. So the next, I'm going to transfer it into a sterilized container